Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Luigi from Super Mario. So let's start in the center page and draw a circle for the nose. We'll start at the very top right in the middle, go counterclockwise towards the bottom of the nose, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose along the top. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw an oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye, come around the side, and then pull that in towards the nose. Move over towards the right side. We're going to go in the opposite direction towards the same height. Come down the side and then bend that in towards the same height. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval. Starting right here, we're going to go up and just tuck that in. Mirror that over on the right side. Now I'm going to do that one more time for the pupil. Starting down here on top of the nose, draw a smaller oval. Along the top of each pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. Now I want to fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw on that mustache tucked in underneath the nose. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side, bend this out, and then up, line that up on the right. Now from the bottom of the nose right in the center, we're going to curve the mustache coming down and then up towards a point. So let's start with the left. We're going to come down, curl this around, and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting back in the center, and down towards the same height, curl around, and then up. Let's add in the mouth. Starting on the left side, curve the top, coming down and up. Go back to the left side, we're going to open up the mouth, coming down and then up like a half oval. Now let's trace that same curve just underneath for the teeth. Go down towards the bottom, add a curve going up and then down for the tongue. Now I'm going to fill the center of the mouth in black. Just underneath the mouth, let's add another curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start with a curve going above the left eye and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. So we're going to start back on the outside, go higher in the middle, and then taper in towards the point. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now with the face complete, let's draw the outside of the head. We're going to start with the chin, starting underneath the mustache on the left, come down at an angle, round up the chin just underneath the lip, and then bend that back up. Now I want to follow this curve towards the top of the mustache, bend the head going out and then up. Now let's connect these two lines with a curve going up above the eyebrows and then back down. Now I want to fill this area with the sideburns. From this top point, step in, goes down and in, and then bend that back out. Let's draw in the ears. From the top corner of the head, we're going to step down, curl the ear going up, come all the way around, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, around, and in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ears. Now back on the inside, we're going to add a small hook. Now going back up to the top of the head, let's draw the top edge of the hat brim. We're going to start from this point. Bend this up in the middle, so it goes higher, across, and then taper down towards a point. Now I want to draw a circle tucked in behind. So leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left, draw a circle. Going up toward the top, come around the right side, and then tuck that in. We're going to add a block letter L, starting from the top left, go straight down, go straight across. Now I'm going to close off the ends with equal length lines, and we'll trace the inside of the L. Now let's draw the outside of the hat. We're going to start on top of the left ear. Start by going out, bend this up and in. And I want to go above this circle. Just point this in towards the middle, round at the top, come across towards the right, and then bend that in on top of the right ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're starting on the left side of the chin, curve the body going out, down, and then in towards the hip. Move over towards the right. We're going to go out, down, and then in towards the same height. Now when you leave a gap, go to the center and draw a curve coming down and then up. Leave a gap in the center, go over toward the left side and bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, bend this down and then up, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back to the left side. I want to curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, and then we're going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And then I just want to curl this back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, come down, and then curl that in. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From here, we're going to step over to create a fold, taper the leg so it gets wider as it comes down towards the feet with a slight curve. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we take that same curve, step up, go from toe to heel, and then on the right, from heel to toe. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add some more detail to the body, starting with the straps. From the top left side, we're going to step in, follow the curve, coming down along the inside of the strap. Then we're going to add a point, come down and then up. Along the bottom of each strap, let's add a circle. In between the straps, we're going to add a curve, coming down and up. Now we're going to move down across the hip, add one more curve to create the seam. Now that we've completed the body, let's draw in the arms. We're going to start halfway between the top of the body and the hip. So we're going to start right here, bend the arm going out and then down toward the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle, coming in and then out from the thumb. And then on the end, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and then bend this up around that bracket. Step down, add a second finger, coming down and up. Now the third finger, we're going to blend this up into the arm and then in underneath the chin. So we're going to go out, round out the arm, and then bend that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, second, and then the third. Now the last thing we want to do is separate the edge of the glove. Start from the top of the thumb, add a curve going up and out. And then we're going to step up and draw that again. And then one last thing, we're going to add the hair across the back of the head, starting on the left side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Luigi from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.